Hey, Mark Davis here again. We're going to talk about fishing with a Strike King Sexy Dawg. We went over on the first part. We talked about the rod, the line, the knot, and the actual bait. We're going to talk about actually fishing with it now. If the camera can catch that lure, this is what I want it to do right here, side to side, and that's where that loop knot helps. You see, I get that lure to go way back and forth, side to side. And that's what you want to do with it right there. One of the things to keep in mind, when you're going to get a lot of blow-ups, and the reluctant fish will bite at that lure, strike at it, and boil behind it, and roll at it. When they're doing that, don't stop working the lure. Keep that lure going. In a cruise, they'll swirl, they'll boil, they'll roll, they'll jump over it. Keep working it. Just keep that steady cadence going until the fish actually bites it. Now, the spinnerbait rod, you can see it's got a little tip. You won't slacken your line when you're fishing with it. So that cadence right there. And you'll find on some days they'll want it really fast, or you're just coming with it like such, real erratic. Other days, it's more of this right here. Let the fish tell you what they want. I'm gonna show you real fast. I'm gonna show you the bigger bait. Got one tied on right here. There's a 3-hook size. Now, this is not the Magnum, okay? This is the 3-hooker. Chunk it out there. You see, you got about the same thing, but it's a little louder, a little bit bigger target. So on windy days, the big bait is what you probably want to go with. On your calm days, especially if the fish are biting the small bait fish, go with that small bait. Give that a try this spring. We're actually going to do one more quick part. It's a 3-part segment on the Sexy Dawg, and I'm going to show you the loop knot, and we're going to talk about some of the things that will enhance your catches with it. I mean, what the lake's doing, the water's rising, the water's falling, you know, all those things. Wind, the kind of places that you'll want to fish with that Sexy Dawg. Good fishing to you.